Good afternoon and thanks for joining us for Living Local, your lifestyle show for everything Charleston and beyond. I'm Ashley Meservey. It's Medical Monday here at East Cooper Medical Center, and today we're taking a look at the joint class that has one mission, and that's to help prepare patients for future joint replacement surgery.
Medical Monday, sponsored by East Cooper Medical Center.
Joining us today, Rick Rogers-Berry, and he is a patient here at East Cooper Medical Center, and we're talking more about the joint class going on here today. First off, tell me what brought you here.
Well, I have a chronic situation with my knee due to arthritis. I had a ruptured patella tendon in 2000 and have had recurring difficulty walking, and movement has gotten inhibited over the last several years, and it got to the point where the bone spurs in my knee just helped my doctor and me decide that it was time.
Okay, so that was the moment that you realized it. Was there something that you are used to doing that all of a sudden you were like, okay, we've got an issue here?
Well, I was, the pain comes and goes, but I was at my son's wedding in April in Maine, and the morning of the wedding I got up out of bed and my leg felt like it was going to collapse under me, and that, you know, having a wedding and not being able to walk is an inconvenience, to say the least. But that just told me I couldn't continue on in that way, and I just couldn't count on it.
And talk about what it means to you to be able to live, you know, you seem very active, what it means to be able to continue that.
Well, I exercise every day and go to the gym, and want to be able to maintain that level of activity, and want to be able to do it perhaps not pain-free because I'm not young anymore, but I want to be able to do it and feel like I'm not going to have some accident that's going to prevent me from being able to do normal activities. And
let's say, I mean, people get joint replacement surgery all the time, but what made you take this particular step to learn more? Well,
I'm going to be honest about it. I put it off as long as I could. And I think the technology has gotten to the point where, you know, if I'd gotten it done 10 years ago, when it was suspected that I would need to,
wow,
I might have worn.
Oh
yeah, yeah.
So Rick, this is your first class. What do you hope to learn today?
Well, ease my mind a little bit about the process itself, and really the recovery, the rehabilitation is it's been intimidating to me. I'm going to be unconscious during the surgery. It's the coming back from that's had me, you know, intimidated, and I hope that through this I'll have some of those anxieties maybe relieved a little bit.
All right, well, we wish you the best, and thanks for chatting with us today. And of course, for more information, you can visit the East Cooper Medical website at eastcoopermedctr.com.